Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether the Shein app in 2025 is still worth using. And here's the honest breakdown. It offers ultra low prices, massive style variety, inclusive sizing, in-app games and gamified discounts like Puppy Keep and flash promos, and easy browsing across mobile or desktop for fashion lovers on a budget. But user trust is declining fast, with frequent complaints like the app fully implodes after I open it and I lose control. While endless pop-ups promise coupons that never deliver, cashier charges instead of refunds after missing item claims, stolen packages from delivery partners like Uni, and scammy game mechanics and missing reward tricks in their promotional games. Quality varies dramatically, shipping and customer service are often slow or unhelpful, with refunds delayed or denied, and the app has been flagged by EU regulators for using dark pattern tactics to force purchases, plus serious ethical and environmental concerns around sustainability. So if you just want cheap, trendy pieces and can tolerate low quality, long waits, and risky experiences, it might suit. But if you value reliability, ethical business, or smooth support, it's probably not worth the trade-off. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real reviews. And let me know in the comments, are you still buying from Shein or done with it?